me, Cherry, again with my special guests,
Jelly and Casey.
Oh gosh, I'm gonna keep these two. They're so cute. Today we are doing part 2 of our sugar cookie series, and we're making
Royal icing.
There you go, royal icing, which involves powdered sugar, some meringue powder, and some coloring and some other ingredients, but you have to stay tuned to see that.
If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you go hit that subscribe button down below.
Make sure you smack that like button, not too hard, and hit that notification bell to get notified when we come out with a new one. Equipment you might use: tips 3, 2, and 1, some couplers, and food gel colors. I also use 12 or 16-inch piping bags in both Wilton and the tipless kind that don't require the metal tip. All right, girl, Case, we're gonna make some frosting, right? What do we start with?
1 2-pound bag of confection.
She got it! She did it! All right, pour that. What's next, Jelly?
3 tablespoons of meringue powder.
Yes.
It's like marshmallow.
Yeah, make sure. Oops. Okay, 1.
Oh, it smells really good. It's so hard to mix with.
Gently.
Oh.
I warned you about that. 2. Let's go like this. Just kind of like a deep stir.
And 3.
And
Wait, it's not perfect yet.
do it! Ah! We got it. That's it. Okay, now, how much corn syrup is that?
1/4 of a cup.
Yes.
I want to mix that, please. That looks so nice.
Yeah, now corn syrup, it's just like honey. So you just have to be patient with it coming. So you're gonna hold your hand like that over it as it drips. So how much are we putting of this vanilla?
Eat it 1 teaspoon.
Oh no!
Tablespoon.
There you go, you got it. 1 tablespoon. And this is clear vanilla, not the regular brown kind. Why do we use a clear vanilla instead?
Because we can add more color.
Yes, and so it stays white.
Yes.
So why don't I help you mix it, since we don't have a mixer today because I'm such an intelligent person. All right. Ooh, now we need our warm water, which we are missing.
Oh, it's very smoky up in here. It's getting hot in here.
I'm here. Okay, we're not gonna pour all of it in, okay? Just
A little.
some of it. Okay, let me help you. There, okay. Now stir.
Nice.
Maybe we can hold the bowl for your sister. That should be enough water. See how much it's getting?
Wow.
Maybe we can show the viewers and Mama.
That's
See, it's
why
getting a
I
little
said-
gooey. In the meantime, I will show you what else we need.
Ooh,
We need piping bags. These are the tipless piping bags, which means we don't have to put a tip on them. We can just cut the end very small and use that once we put the frosting in. It's very convenient. Or we can get Wilton bags. You could do these tipless, but I don't recommend it. They don't have the right edge on the bottom for it. So that's why I got these couplers, so that we can put the piping tips in the bottom and change them as we like. How do you get the right consistency icing? Well, to get outline and detail icing, it's going to be thick like toothpaste and will melt within itself within 25 seconds. To get a medium puffy icing that can outline yet also flood and melts in 15 seconds, you need to add a little more water. To get the thinnest, flooding consistency icing to fill in large areas, add drop by drop of additional water and see it melt within itself within 10 to 14 seconds. Get ready to add food gel color and put them immediately in piping bags. Okay, so we separated our icing into 3 different bowls because we're gonna do yellow, red, and blue. Whatever icing is still left that you haven't worked with, you need to cover with plastic wrap so it doesn't dry out, because it will dry out on you and then you won't be able to pipe it anymore because it'll get stuck in the piping bag. First, before we put regular color in there, we want to put white gel color. This prevents any what they call color bleed between the colors once we put it on the cookie. In there.
Do we mix?
Yep, go ahead and mix it in. And then we're gonna add our colors. Now, sometimes they come in little things like this, but sometimes they come like this. If you use this, then you need a toothpick to get it out. Whoa, look at these beautiful colors.
Wow, that's so pretty.
Yes.
That looks so nice.
So to prepare the piping bag, you just have to snip it at the end like that. And then you fit the coupler on, because the coupler allows you to change the tip if you wanted to change the tip to a different style. Okay, so I didn't cut enough, and I have to cut a little bit more. And then see, the coupler comes through just to the top there. And that's when you put whichever tip you want. Let's say we want this number 2 tip. Then we put the cap on and we secure it. So we put that in the funnel. I like this funnel because it helps me open the bag a lot better. But if you don't have a funnel, you can just use a cup. You're just gonna pour it in there.
I'll do mine.
You wanna do yours? Okay. We're just gonna fill up all our bags, huh, girls? And then we'll show you in a minute.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
With your outlining consistency, you want to hold your finger on the piping bag, make sure your hand is twisted up here, and then you're gonna let it drip a little bit and just gently squeeze. And then see how I keep the piping tip above where I want it to go? It's falling onto the cookie. That's how you get really straight and nice curved lines. Now,
great effort.
anytime you have a blob or something you don't want, you use your scribe tool and you can fix it. If we want to go ahead and fill it in, we can use the same icing but a flooding consistency and go back and forth like this. Once you have enough on there, you can either leave the texture if you like it, or you can just use your scribe tool to smooth it out. Now, once you get to that, you want to put your hand under the cookie, gently hold it, and gently rock it back and forth so it smooths out. Now, you're gonna do your outline and your filling in for whatever sections you want to do that with, and then later on when you get it dry, you can fill in more details. To speed up drying, use a dehydrator or air dry for 1 hour between layers. Just lay out the wet cookies on each tray, then dehydrate at 95 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then use outline icing to create fancy details. She's an artist, Mama. Okay, we're in the decorating process, having a great time. Look at Jelly's cute, ugly sweater. Ta-da. Casey's already tapped out, but she did a great job too. I'll show you some of her creations.
This is my favorite.
Oh yes, oh that's beautiful. I want to wear that one. I'm just putting a little heart on this one. You can stay here forever and do a ton of details. It will take you a long time, but you know, it's a fun and relaxing process. And we've had a great time, right guys?
Yeah.
Casey, how many cookies did you eat?
1.5.
Do we believe her?
No. 4.
It's the tasting time, so we're gonna bite into our cookies.
It's so pretty, I don't want to ruin it.
Look at how it breaks open. It's nice and tender. It's super yummy. My favorite cookies.
This is so good.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up to like our video. And also, what do?
Share our video.
That's right, with your family and friends.
1-2 pound of confectioner sugar.
You forgot.
1 2-pound bag.
I said 2 pound. 1 2-pound elephant of confectioner sugar.
You said 1 2-pound
Sugar cookies decorated with royal icing.
Pricing.
I'm hungry.
Obviously, she can't talk anymore.
Does it taste?